no matter how big you are on TikTok with a Nigeria TikTok account, you can never get paid by TikTok like from your views. So if you are growing a TikTok account right now as a Nigerian hoping to start getting paid by your views, you are actually wasting your time. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create an international TikTok account like a UK or US TikTok account that can be monetizable, that you can start getting paid by your video views. So with the US or UK TikTok account, you can get access to the Creator Rewards program, which is actually the way you get paid by your video views, and also the Creator Marketplace where you collaborate with brands and start advertising for them through TikTok. And you also get access to the incentive programs and start gaming programs where you start earning by playing live stream games. So do well to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because any second you're gonna miss right here maybe the most important part in this video. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment thank you in the comments so that I'll start dropping more videos like this. So I'll be actually giving you this tutorial with a phone. So just pay attention and listen and watch very carefully so that you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So at first we'll be clicking these three dots up right here to actually log out from the current account you are in. So let's try this method. You just click at this and click at, okay, the option is not there, so let's continue with what we're doing. Settings and privacy, you click to log out of the current account you are in. Just take some time because of your network actually. So you just go to this profile icon, you click it. It's actually taking me to an account. So you just click right here to add a new account. You can see it, to add new account. You click at don't have an account, don't click at sign up. So if you click at login, sorry, if you click at login, it will take you to the account you have already. So you just click at sign up for a new account. Then this is the most important part. Before you continue, make sure you create a new email that you haven't used before. So you make sure it's a new email that you haven't used before. Just create it right now, like a new email. Before you continue with this account, create a new email. Okay, next, which is the most important part, is you see this text written right here at the down. By continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledgement that you have read our policy. So this Nigeria that is written with a bold letter, just click at it. You can see my hand that I clicked at it. So you scroll to the edge till you see United Kingdom or US. So if you actually want a United Kingdom account, you'll be going with if you want the United States. But why the United Kingdom is the best is because if you reach at the point of withdrawing your money, it's more easier. You just connect it with some easy payment method. Okay, so we'll be going with the United Kingdom. Now click at it. So when you click at it, that space that wrote, you see that text has changed from Nigeria to the United Kingdom. So what you do now is, you can see it said continue with Google. So there are many options, but the one you'll be doing, since you created a new email, you'll be clicking continue with Google. So you press it to continue with Google. Just wait for it to pop up. Okay, then you search for the email that you haven't used. You search for the email and then you click at it. Click at the email that you created that you want to use for it. So just wait for it to load. So it brought me to this place because I've already used the email. So don't make the mistake of using the email you have already used for creating a TikTok account. Create a new one. So let me show you the proof that this is actually United Kingdom TikTok account. So you go to your settings and privacy and you scroll till you see the account. You click at the account and then you click at account information. So you can see the account region is located at the United Kingdom. So you see your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. So that's what you actually did, and you can see that it's located at the United Kingdom. So let me show you all the monetization aspect of it. So you click at this three dots again and click at TikTok Studio. Then you scroll, you can see the creator reward program, which is the main point here. The creator reward program, the TikTok shop for sellers, the creator marketplace, and the gaming incentive program, which help you make money like with this United Kingdom TikTok account. So this is very easy to do. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that anytime I'm dropping a video like this, you'll be notified straight to your notification. And don't forget to comment, thank in the comment section to appreciate me for my good work. See you in the next one.